The scanning process works the same way for all 3 features. Let's take a look at how it works. Stand upright and start your scan. Gently place the mouthpiece and keep your bite light. When the ball turns green, you're in the correct position. Smile wide and bite down on your back teeth. I keep the bite steady and turn left. Hold steady. Turn right. Open your mouth and tilt the tooth scope upward. Keep the mouth open and tilt downwards. Your scan is complete. You can review or upload your images. You can check your oral score and review your oral health using our AI-powered report.